annotation plugin with possibility to save text inside the PDF file. Demonstrate it on the demo that I am sharing with the plugin. Selecting objects, okay, so let's check the results. As you can see, all text is possible to select. So let's check functions that saving widget to the PDF file. First one is simple version that require limited info from the user. In simple version, text saving is enabled by default. In advanced function, there is more control for the user. Need to save text flag is to enable or disable text saving for all documents. And flag need to show debug text variable, needs to show invisible background text under widget text. Let me show you. So you see two texts, selectable and original. So the plugin get info from the text inside the widget, transform this text to the PDF format and save it inside the PDF. Then make the background text invisible but selectable. Why we are doing this? Because the PDF file is a very complex format that require a lot of specific data from the widget that sometimes impossible to get. For example, the font of the text should be coded inside the PDF page. This will be trouble for custom fonts from the user. Okay, so let's talk about limitation and tweaking of text position inside the PDF page. I created one page with one text block inside. So the main rule, text should be placed as close as possible to the left upper corner of the text block. More details. The calculation of the text positioning starts from the left upper corner of the text block area itself. For example, in this case, it will not properly saved, as start of the text inside the PDF will be from the left upper corner and actual position of the text inside the widget is center. So this how the text should be set as slot inside the widgets. Okay, so let's talk about the tweaks and control for user. Tweaking. I place all controls inside the strike brush data as it's most rarely used for me. Let's check how it's looking by default and let's save the PDF file. Okay, so we see that the text saved almost in line with original text. Let's go back to our widget. So text position controls set inside the image size of the strike brush. We will change X value, it will move text left or right. Let's check how it's looking. We see that the background text moved to the right from the original text position. Same will be with Y, but only for the vertical positioning. Okay, next, tweaking set inside the tint color changes. Original tweaking values is set from the 0 to 1, but you can move out from these ranges. Red channel is responsible for character spacing of text. Let's check how it's working. Yep, we see inside the background text that the character distance is changed. Okay, next one is the green channel. It's responsible for the word spacing. Okay, so next one is the font size tweaking. The controls placed inside the alpha channel. Yep, but it's not very noticeable. Let's make the values bigger. Yes, now the difference is noticeable. Okay, so let's add another text line for tweaking leading values. Let's check how it's looking. By default, it's pretty accurate, but for the demonstration purposes, let's change the blue channel to expand the leading values. Yep, the distance is modified. So the last control is to enable or disable text saving for each text block. For this, let's duplicate our text block. So if you want to disable some text from the selection, but other text should be saved as a selectable, set the draw type to none. Our duplicated text will be not selectable, and of course, all hidden or collapsed text does not save in as background text. As we can see, it's not possible to select second part. Nice. So the last chapter for our text update overview, what text layout widget classes possible to save inside the PDF file. The text block itself, the rich text block, multi-line editable text, and also the editable text box and multi-line editable text blocks. In all these classes, the strike brush presented to control and adjust text. Hope you all like it. You can reach me at the Discord or on the marketplace page.